The most intimate moments are the ones you share. A touch that lingers, a rhythm that builds. The feeling of being completely in sync. But distance always gets in the way, until now. Mira and Vero bring closeness back, no matter how far apart you are. Every movement on Mira is transmitted instantly to Vero touch, rhythm, and intensity, and you feel it right away. It creates a true, two-way physical connection with responsive sensors that let feedback flow both ways. Our Real Touch privacy blocks screenshots and recordings, so your moments stay yours and yours alone. You can record your rhythms, personalize them, and share them with your partner, turning desire into experiences you can relive again and again. Mira and Vero. Real touch, real intimacy, without limits.